Welcome to my channel. Epson Printer Error Code 000041. Here's the fix. Step 1. Turn off the printer, power off the printer and unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait for about 2 minutes before turning it back on. Step 2. Check for paper jams. Open all printer covers and carefully look for any stuck paper or small paper pieces inside the printer. Step 3. Inspect the print head path. Make sure nothing is blocking the print head carriage. Remove any debris, labels, or foreign objects you find. Step 4. Restart the printer. Reconnect the power cable and restart the printer. A simple reboot can clear temporary error messages. Step 5. Verify ink cartridges. Open the ink cartridge compartment and make sure all cartridges are installed correctly and locked into place. Step 6. Clean the encoder strip. Gently check the transparent encoder strip behind the print head. Dust or ink buildup can cause movement errors. Step 7. Update printer firmware. Visit Epson Support website and install the latest firmware available for your printer model. Step 8. Run printer maintenance. Use the printer's maintenance menu to perform a nozzle check and print head cleaning cycle. Step 9. Reset the printer. If the error remains, restore the printer to its factory default settings through the control panel menu. Step 10. Contact Epson Support. If error code 000041 still appears, the printer may have a hardware issue that requires professional service or repair. Thanks for watching.